Dana, we've had some gorgeous weather lately.
Yeah, we had quite literally a record-breaking Halloween because it was so warm. I mean, a lot of spots broke their records. In Portland, we did not, but the warm weather is gonna come back because I know right now it's getting a little cool for the weekend, but we're gonna start seeing some changes. As for today, though, it was a little bit on the cooler side, especially in comparison to yesterday. So now the temperatures that we're going to talk about are actually much closer to normal. But again, in comparison, there's kind of a big difference here. We're seeing a difference of about 20 degrees across the state, and that's the difference from what we saw at this time yesterday. Now, our high temperatures, if you were along the coastline, particularly the southern coast, temperatures got into the lower 50s. Keep in mind, our average high temperature is 53, so this is right about average for this time of year. However, throughout areas of northern Maine, a little bit cooler. Only got to 37 in Greenville today, 36 over in Rangeley. Now, I would say we saw kind of a mix of sun and clouds today, but it really depended on where you were in the state. Now, if you were back into the mountains, a lot more cloud cover out there. And then we also saw some more clouds move through areas of Bangor down into the mid-coast, a bit more sunshine in the afternoon in areas like down East Maine, and then areas in the southern coastal region. Now, overnight tonight, we are going to lose most of that cloud cover. So that means our temperatures tonight will, for most of us, drop down below freezing, and for a lot of us, drop down into the 20s in some spots. But that's going to set us up for a really nice day tomorrow. Now, it's still going to be cold. Most high temperatures will be in the upper 40s, but a lot of sunshine, almost one of those days where there's not a cloud in the sky throughout the whole day. But then things are going to start to change as we get into Monday, and it's going to actually be very similar to kind of what we were seeing last week. We started to see an increase in clouds from west to east early on Monday morning, kind of continuing with that overcast feel Monday afternoon. And then we start to see a warm front begin to move in, kind of similar to what we saw last week early on Tuesday. Now, because this system is going to be moving in mostly Monday night into early Tuesday, we might see some snow showers and some mixed precipitation throughout areas of northern Maine where we're able to get down into the 30s. Most of us won't see too much precipitation overall. Then you can see here some more snow through areas of northern Maine. Rain, I would say, south of areas like Greenville and Millinocket. And then we'll see some more of those scattered showers move through early in the day on Tuesday. And then it's a very similar setup to what we had last week, meaning Wednesday, we could be making a run for the 70s again because of the southerly flow here. And then we'll have that cold front move through in the afternoon on Wednesday, giving us a couple of rain showers overall, though not expecting too much precip there. So once again, temperature roller coaster. So we're seeing this weekend temperatures getting quite cool again, but then once again, jumping back up into the 70s. So a little bit of a taste of November, except it's actually November this time. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet there. Water temp is 53 degrees. So let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. A lot of sunshine tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit cooler, I think, tomorrow than it was today. Increase in clouds on Monday ahead of that front. Keep in mind that some of those showers will be overnight from Monday into Tuesday. Tuesday is election day. That's where we'll have some scattered showers, Sam, in the morning. And then once again on Wednesday, making a run for 70 degrees. So summer's not done quite yet, even though at this point we're getting into November.
Yeah, thank you, Dana.